Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.